Okay, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to find setups based on a particular index. So for example, you wanted to trade only the stocks that are in S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100, or it's currently available in the US in TradingView. So if you're using TradingView for your scanning the way we are doing it, what you can do is to put your normal scanner here, like the one we have here. So let me take you to the filters. So these are the filters that I use normally now. The last feature, last means price. So if you wanted to filter out everything that is below $2, I'm going to go with this feature called above. If I want to go with a price in between 2 and 20, then I can use between, and then I will enter 20. But right now I want any price. I want minimum volume of 500 and above, and I want market capitalization of 50. But if you're going for, let's say, an index, so I've selected Nasdaq index, so you need to go and find the index filter. If it's not there, suppose, let me get rid of it. I can search index. It will come up here, and then from here you can choose any of the index. So for example, S&P 500 as a whole, you wanted to find, if I wanted to find stocks that are setting up in S&P 500, I will select this, and then I will click on that, making sure that the time frame is, the interval is day 1, and the markets is selected to the US markets, right? So we can see that we have 15 potential stocks. So now I can quickly go through this. Suppose I go there, and then I can check the criteria. So this one is most probably setting up. We have a 3 up and a 4 down, so I can add that. Then I'll go to the next one. So this one is now AO has crossed the 0 line. There's a peak of 3. This can set up later on as well. This one can also set up. This one can also set up. You know, we're going through a market downtrend past couple of days. There's a correction going on. The correction also means it's gonna bring AO below the 0 line, and the gator will sleep. So it will give us some setups. So this one is a setup. Delta Airlines. The airlines are going up, and this one is going really strongly down. So quite a lot of bearish moves happening because if I show you the index as a whole, let's have a look at my index charts, indices. So if I look at S&P 500, you see yesterday it had a very, very strong bearish move. US 30, strong bearish move. Nasdaq 100, strong bearish move. And DAX is already open because it opens before US. We can see that DAX already did a strong move down and then recovered back up. So let's go to US 2000, bearish as well. So let's suppose if the market goes down, we will find out if in about 1 hour time if the US indices will open, and if they're going to go down first and then go up. We'll find that out. But that is the way of finding out if you only wanted to trade particular stocks in that particular index, then the easiest way would be to filter it this way, and that's how we do it.